Morning, my YouTube friends. We're going out this Saturday morning to do some live bait fishing and a little bit of trolling. Just leaving the harbour. Where we dock the boat. That is the captain over there, the seafood man. Nice and cool Saturday morning. So we have that's what we're going to put a live bait in. We'll get back to you in the action. This is a live bait we're using to fish today. We call this one the Sprat. So we're going to see what we can hook up now. We actually have 2 rods out already with live bait, so that is one over there, and this one is the other over here. Never mind that big ship. Sometimes the fish gather up around that big ship, so we have to troll around it. So we'll get back in the action as soon as we pick up something. Then that's where the action begins. So this is Kevin now on the live bait. Just hook up on the live bait. As you say, we're using the herring Sprat, and we put it on and troll very slow with it. Nice fish. Giving him a little fight there. Yeah?
Yeah, one jump right beside him. Kingfisher are coming easy.
Yeah, man. So seems like this one would be a kingfish then. Alright, let us see. Oh, position the boat properly there, because we're not pulling the boat. Yeah, man, so fight the kingfish there, fight the kingfish. Show them the seafood. See there? That is the seafood. Yes, man. This man luckier than anybody else who come on this boat. See, because I have a live bait out there, you know, and boy, I tell you, it seems like I have to just stuck to the video camera. Yeah. I'm not ready yet, so we don't see him as yet, but it looks like this one is a big one. No, that's not him, that's a stingray, but I don't know why I'm anchoring around the boat. I don't have anything out here for him.
That's a big one.
You will grab at him?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, put him on that side. Well, if he's a jack, he's a jack. If he's a kingfish, he's a kingfish. We don't know yet, but whatever it is. That's like a kingfish, man. That was a jack, you'd be getting another run or 2. Or maybe I'm wrong, you know. Well, this one seemed like it's a jack then.
jack.
Oh boy.
Big one.
Can't bother with them jack business here, you know. You ever keep him?
That's a big one, man.
Oh,
Big enough?
well, yeah.
What? Sorry.
Yeah.
Come get to the hotel.
Yeah, we hook up on a jack on the live bait here. Alright, yeah. So, that one is a jack. Thought it was a kingfish, you know.
Let me try this.
You don't know if he uses?
I'll try it.
Let me just lock off this.
Hold on, get it. Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. The sun.
So?
I'll cut off that part. So that one is the first jack.
That's it?
Yeah, there is it. There is a jack. Nice size. Alright. Getting back to the action again. Boy, we just hook up on two jack a while ago, but I couldn't get to video them. Because boy, one hook up on my line, one on Kevin line. So I couldn't get to video anything. But there is what is going on there. 3 big jack. Nice big jack. There are people out there who jerk them, roast them, all sorts of stuff. So you can give them away to people who really eat these things, you know. So that's it for now. Get back to you in a few minutes.